Why Ambassador? There's a lot of contractors to choose from. I've worked very hard to keep the same staff with me for over 2 decades. From our project managers to our office staff, we want to give you the best team possible to make the best experience possible so that when your project is completed, you will know the names of all the people that worked in your home, and it will make the experience feel a lot more personal to you. Our warranty is the best in the industry. Our turnaround time is the best in the industry. And if you check our ratings, we are the highest rated contractor in Long Island by far. I attribute this to really the staff of people that have worked with me for all these years. Ambassador Home Improvement, where quality is king.